Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Tech Magazine channel. Tired of guessing what that new couch will look like in your living room? Or spending hours arranging furniture only to hate it? Stop the return headache. Imagine instantly seeing your dream home come to life right before your eyes. Welcome back. I'm your host, Techie, and today we're diving into revolutionary augmented reality tech that lets you visualize, customize, and perfect your space without lifting a finger. This isn't a gimmick, it's the future of retail. Stick around, because I'm going to show you the best platforms, how they work, and yes, exactly how you can use my exclusive discount codes to start decorating smarter, saving money, and me earning a small commission. Let's dive into the matrix. At the core of this transformation are two things: LiDAR and SLAM, simultaneous localization and mapping. For our tech-savvy audience, you know SLAM is how the device understands the world around it. It maps the surfaces and objects in real time. But the game changer is LiDAR integration, especially on newer Apple devices. LiDAR creates an incredibly accurate depth map. This means the virtual 3D models aren't just floating on your floor, they are grounded in the space, respecting light, shadows, and occlusions. When I walk behind this virtual floor lamp, it disappears correctly. That level of realism is what gives us the confidence to hit the buy button. Crucially, this technology eliminates the measurement errors. The app knows your room dimensions, so that 7-foot sectional you're looking at in the Wayfair app is the correct size. We're moving from a 2D approximation to a precise 1-to-1 scale digital twin of your decor choice. This is the foundation of the high-retention shopping experience. Let's look at the best players right now. First up, the OG of AR Decor, IKEA Place. What they lack in high-end customization, they make up for in sheer accessibility and a clean user experience. This is your go-to for seeing if that Billy bookcase will actually fit against that wall. It's simple, fast, and constantly updated with their newest catalog. Next, for variety and high-end design, we have Houzz. The View in My Room feature here is fantastic because of the depth of their product catalog. Millions of items from thousands of brands. You're not just looking at a couch, you're looking at a $5,000 designer chandelier. This is where AR meets serious interior design planning. The quality of the 3D renders on Houzz is often second to none. Finally, let's talk about scale with Wayfair and their related brands. Their AR implementation is incredibly smooth and integrates perfectly with their massive inventory. The real power here is consistency. You can move from the Wayfair app to all modern and back, and the AR experience remains reliable. This ecosystem approach is vital for the modern shopper. Where this AR tech gets interesting for the tech-savvy crowd is in the advanced use cases. It's not just furniture, it's surfaces. We can test complex tile patterns in a kitchen backsplash or paint colors using apps that leverage AR to mask your walls with incredible accuracy. This is Stackable AR, testing a new paint color and a new rug simultaneously. Another pro tip: focus on the small details. Apps like Planner 5D, which has a robust AR feature, allow for full room planning, not just single item placement. You can test mood lighting, see how two different sizes of a piece of art interact on a gallery wall, or check for clutter density. This is digital home staging, and it saves interior designers days of physical work.
So what's next?
The current generation relies on phones and tablets. The future is glasses and headsets. Imagine wearing the Apple Vision Pro or similar enterprise-grade hardware, and the AR design is simply there, fully integrated with your peripheral vision, allowing you to move items with a gesture.
And critically,
AI integration. The next step isn't just visualizing what you select, it's the app suggesting the perfect design based on your preferences and the dimensions of your space. AI will be the interior designer, AR will be the canvas. This synergy will democratize high-end interior design overnight.
the takeaway is this.
AR home decor isn't just about fun visuals, it's a massive shift in consumer confidence. It reduces buyer's remorse, cuts down on logistics, and fundamentally moves retail from buy and hope to see and commit. This is an ecosystem worth investing your time and your money into.
Ready to start decorating?
Remember, you can get 10% off your first Wayfair order, an exclusive offer from IKEA, and a special discount on Planner 5D's professional tools, all using the links in the description. Your purchase through those links helps keep this channel running, and I appreciate your support. What's the next technology we should deep dive into? Let me know in the comments below. Like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, and I'll see you in the next one.